Whoa! What is up, guys? Quattech here, and today I'm going to be doing a great video on this ugly guy, Jake Paul. Oh, wait, no, not him. Or this guy, Ricegum. No, not him either. But I'm going to be making a video on what they're trying to scam us on and trying to scam young viewers out of gambling. And that is called MysteryBrand.net. And this is pretty much a gambling website for children. So let's go ahead and do it. So I obviously have 12 subscribers and I am very unwealthy. So I deposited my full net worth of $50 into this so I can make this video. And let's see how big of a scam this is. So right now it's not loading, which absolutely sucks. So we're going to go to mysterybrand.net, click it. I have to sign in, and here we go. And if you guys don't know the story behind this, Ricegum and Jake Paul or whatever got paid like 100,000 to 500,000 to sponsor this in their YouTube videos. And in the videos where they're sponsoring it, they won like an iPhone XS Max and tons of Yeezys and all kinds of super expensive stuffs from a $5 mystery box, which obviously is fake. So let's go ahead and spend my life savings of $50 to prove to you guys that they're probably not right and that we just all got scammed. So I'm going to go with Apple Boy, which is $14.99. And pretty much how this works is I'm going to click this open for $14.99 button, and then it'll have a box. And then I slit it with like a fake knife, and it will show me a product. And in that product, it will either be a really good product, which is a 0.0001%, or a $1 very poopy product, and I can either keep it, ship it to my house, or I can sell it back to them. So let's go ahead and open this. $15. Okay, so now I just slit this box line. So I just got a shock-proof case tempered glass for iPhone, and I can either ship that to my house or sell it back to them. Sell it back to the website for $1.88. So I just lost about 13 bucks. So we're gonna try a different box actually. And you can go back into your account and decide to ship it or sell it later. So I'll do that later. But I kind of wanted 2 more boxes for you guys just to show you how big of a scam this is. See, if I had more money, I'd be doing these expensive ones, but I just don't have the money to afford that right now. But according to them, that Apple box won them an iPhone XS Max on their second try. So I'm going to try some random ones, and then I'll go back on my second try, and I better win something super nice, or else they're all big scammers. Okay, how about TV? And you can actually, somewhere, it can show you what's in this box, but let's just do it anyways. Open for $9.99. Okay, here we go. I got a, what the hell is that? I got a 2-piece advertising LCD TV loudspeaker. That sounds like some DHgate Chinese fake thing, and I'm going to, I guess, ship it because I don't really want to give them $2 for it. So let's go ahead and try Actually, if I get 100 views on this YouTube video, only 100, I will put in a couple hundred and show you guys the Supreme box and the Gucci box and the Yeezy box. But I didn't want to start out big for just my first video. So let's go ahead and do the Apple box again. Okay, here we go. And I got, oh God, I gotta quit YouTube. Alright, Apple Lightning to USB. I can sell it for $7. I might have to sell that one. Let's see what other boxes they have for my last $10. They have this Xmas Christmas box. Let's just try something super random. Popular Light. So it claims in this picture I can win some cool stuff, and I guarantee I'm gonna win something probably worth like 2 cents. Here we go. And if you guys don't get it, pretty much for the YouTubers that are sponsoring this, the website pretty much makes it so they win something. They change the settings of the app for these YouTubers, because in the video, the Ricegum and Jake, whatever his name is, I don't care about him. He actually is playing live in front of you, but they just change the settings and pay them $500,000 to make it look good for you. And it's just a complete gambling scam for 10-year-olds to play. And I know I just gave this website $50, so I'm just as dumb as them, but I wanted to show you guys how stupid this is. Here we go again. Okay, this is pretty much the last of my bucks. I got a bracelet. A Star Wars Darth Vader bracelet. That's sick. Okay, let's sell that one so I can do one more of these. It's loading. And make sure you guys check out my other videos, please. I'm trying to get some views, make some cool videos, spend some money on this YouTube thing. I got, oh, I kind of like that one. I got some 3D print unicorn women ankle socks. I can give that to my mom. There we go. Christmas 2019 paid for. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I mean, next time I'll invest more money if you guys want me to and enjoy a video like this. And if you have recommendations for other videos, just shoot me a comment and I guarantee I'll do it. I'll put some money into this. I'll try the Supreme and LV box. Whatever you guys want me to do, just ask and I will make it happen. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other videos at Quat Tech on YouTube. Thank you once again and have a great day.